Good morning, Vlogmas! Happy Vlogmas Day 2! Okay, this is my OOTD of the day. I feel very Silicon Valley in this. Well, anytime I wear a vest, it's like very Silicon Valley. But I don't know where the vest is from, but the long sleeve, like quarter zip thing. Is this quarter zip or full zip? It's quarter zip. Okay. Then I'm wearing this little Under Armour quarter zip. It's super thin. When you hold it up, it's like completely transparent. So I'm definitely gonna have to wear like another layer right now because I think I'm gonna go for a walk with Bella because it's really nice out. It's not raining anymore, thank goodness. And then my pants are these Nike pants. They're like straight leg. They're super cozy. They're actually a size small, which I don't know why I would size up, but they fit perfectly, so we're wearing it. And then I didn't do my skincare today, but maybe I'll film like a nighttime get ready with me. Also, my perfume of the day is a raspberry sugar from Bath & Body Works, and I'm obsessed with this one. I feel like with these perfumes, you can spray a lot because they're not very like concentrated, right? Like they're not like super expensive. I mean, the price here says $14.50. I don't know how much I actually paid for it, but. Okay, I was gonna take a thumbnail picture right now, but I feel like I wanna do my makeup. So hold on, let's go do our makeup. Alrighty, so my makeup's all done. I am going to be filming a makeup tutorial of some sort. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but I know the type of makeup I'm gonna do. And it's not exactly this one, but it is similar. I just thought I'd save you, you know, watching two videos if it's the same type of content. So my makeup's done. I'm very glowy right now. I am feeling this lip look though. I'm trying out different lip combos for winter, and I think I like this one the best. Okay, before I leave for my walk, I am gonna use some dry shampoo because we're just getting ready together. So I'm gonna take some Unite U Plus dry shampoo. This is not a tutorial, but I just, you know, I wanna get ready with you. Maybe the back too. There we go. And you just kind of zhuzh it out. Okay, there we go. Wow, this gave me so much volume. Are you kidding me? I'm on like day 100 with my hair. Yay! Okay, now I feel ready for the day. Did my makeup, got my hair all put together. Let's go. All right, I am ready to go for my little hot girl walk. Guys, I kid you not, dry shampoo is literally one of my favorite winter products because I honestly don't remember the last time I washed my hair. Maybe it was like 3 days ago, maybe it was 4 days ago. I don't know, but just know that it's a lifesaver and a time saver. So go get some dry shampoo for wintertime. Guys, I'm making like this avocado toast. Sorry, I don't know why it's so dark. Look at how cute my eggs are. So cute. I'm telling you guys, low heat is truly the best when it comes to cooking because you don't have to worry about it getting burned. And then I'm making some avocado toast to go with it. Guys, moment of truth. Oh my goodness. She's gorgeous. Guys, like look at how green this avocado is. She's gorgeous. But I'm just gonna make avocado toast really quick before I go. I know I keep adding things on the list before I go. Story of my life. But I mean, I'd rather eat now and then go for like a walk without being hungry. I could just enjoy it, you know? Wow, this is a really interesting avocado skin. It's like very I got the goods. Okay, so quick little tutorial on how to make avocado toast. You have your mashed avocado. You don't have to do this, you can just use garlic powder, but I'm using garlic salt today just because I want a little bit more salt. Just a little bit. There we go. Some cayenne pepper. This one's from Trader Joe's. I don't have citrus today, so no lemons or limes, but I do have apple cider vinegar, and this does give you that like zing of a taste. So what I like to do is measure it in caps so I'm not just accidentally overpouring it. And I just take maybe like half a capful. Depends on taste, depends how much product you have. Depends on how much like avocado you have. And then I just, and then some pepper. This one's from Sprouts, I think, where it has a little top, so you just get a nice mix. I like my avocado toast more on like the creamier side versus like chunks or like slices, you know, where it's not even mashed. I love it when it's like guacamole pretty much. I'm waiting for the sourdough to be done, but I just grabbed this coffee from the fridge because I never end up finishing my coffee. I'm also drinking leftover coffee from yesterday because I'm not like a frequent or regular like coffee drinker. I feel like I'm more of like the specialty drinks, like the eggnog latte, the holiday drinks from Starbucks, etc. So it's still good, you know. I got the bread. Look at these. All right, so I have my lovely avocado toast here, but the best part is this. Crunchy chili onion oil from Trader Joe's. Literally, oh my gosh, so good. You kind of like have to mix it because the oil's all at the top. And then you just drizzle it on the bottom. All right, I wanted this to be aesthetic, but you know, other plans were made today. Okay, it looks a little messy, obviously, but it is delicious. I promise you guys need to try it. Like, how does one even begin to eat this? I don't know. Oh no. Mel, are you excited to go doggy park? Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's really pretty out and I'm loving just being outside during the daytime. I'm not inside, I'm outdoors getting natural sunlight. Sorry if the shadow keeps getting weird. There's like a million trees, so oh well. And it just rained yesterday, so everything just smells fresh and clean, and I'm loving being outside. If you guys haven't gone outside today, go outside. But as much as I love being outside in the daytime, I'm looking at all the houses that like are decorated for the holidays, and so I kind of want to start doing night walks, but I know night walks are going to be freezing, so I don't know. I will definitely film some like holiday content for Vlogmas, but it's just getting me excited for December in general. But I'm trying to like slow my roll because it's only December 2nd, but at the same time I'm like really excited, so I'm kind of glad I'm doing Vlogmas this year. Bella's doing so good on her walk. I have her tied around my waist and it's like kind of hands-free. I mean, I have to hold it because I don't actually have like a clip, but she's doing so good lately.